Hello students, welcome to SIAS YouTube channel. In this video, we'll learn about what is agriculture, agriculture in world, agriculture in India, types of agriculture, branches in agriculture. After watching this video, you can able to understand about these topics. Dear students, agriculture is the first culture that humans learn to practice in their living life, and it is provides food and fabrics around the world. Let us see what is agriculture. The term agriculture derived from Latin words "ager" and "cultura". Ager means land or field which we practice agriculture. Cultura means cultivation. Therefore, the term agriculture means cultivation of land which we are growing crops, fruits, vegetables, flowers and rearing the livestock in the field. Agriculture is an art and science of cultivating the land. In India, two-thirds of Indian populations are dependent on agriculture, and it contributes 17 to 18% of country's GDP. And in India, we have 15 major agroclimatic zones around the country, and it exports very importantly variety of food products and fabrics around the world. And the agriculture is play a vital role in Indian economy, and it's a backbone of the Indian economy. In upcoming video, we learn about this elaborately. The next is types of agriculture or farming in India. The first one is subsistence farming and second one is commercial farming. In subsistence farming, this is practiced for need of the family and need of a particular farmer, and the commercial farming is farming to the gain the profit doing the commercial farming. The subsistence farming divided into two categories. First one is intensive subsistence farming and second one is primitive subsistence farming. In commercial farming, we are divided into three parts: commercial gain farming, mixed farming and plantation farming. These three parts are commercial farming. In commercial farming, we grow maize, plantation crops and etc. Next one is, this is the chart, it's for your reference, you can find out. The next part was a branch in agriculture. In agriculture, there are many branches we are practicing at present around the world. The first one is plant breeding. Plant breeding has been practiced thousands of years since the beginning of the human civilization. The plant breeding is a science and art of the changing the traits of plants or order the produce desired characteristics. Next one is agronomy. Agronomy is the application of science and technology from the field of biology, chemistry, economics and ecology and soil science, whatever. Many things we can able to research in the agronomy, and it's improvement the management of the major crops and products. Next part is horticulture. Horticulture, the branch of plant agriculture dealing with the garden crops and generally fruits, vegetables and ornamental plants. Next branch is floriculture. Floriculture, the branch is using the flowers and ornamental plants as well as with flowers arrangements. Next branch is agroforestry. Agroforestry is the system which includes the traditional and modern land which use the system of trees and manage together and animals production. The next branch is forestry. The forestry is a scale, the cultivation of perennial trees for supplying food and timbers. Next branch is soil science. Soil science is very important in the agriculture because we need to know about the soil, the which is that for soil fertility and properties is very important to grow the particular crop. So soil science play a vital role in agriculture. The next branch is agricultural microbiology. The agricultural microbiology is a branch of the microbiology and dealing with the plant associated with microherbs and plant animal diseases. Through this branch, we can get to know about plant and animal diseases which we occur and how we solve that diseases. Next one is agricultural biotechnology. In this branch, we can learn about living organisms in a particular plant, and we can able to cross the breedings the one to another and get to another new breed like genetical modified crops. The next branch is agricultural engineering. The agricultural engineering is very important at present situation because we are using many machineries and many new technology in the agricultural field. So the agriculture is engineering also play a vital role in the agriculture. Next branch is agricultural economics. In the agricultural field, now it's a becoming a agricultural business activity. So agricultural economics branch also a play a vital role to grow the agricultural activity. Next branch is animal husbandry. Animal husbandry is the branch of science deals with a practice of breeding or farming of the farm animals. We are rearing the livestock in the through the doing agriculture. Next one is sericulture. Sericulture is the production of the raw silk which we wear the silk cloths. Next branch is agricultural entomology. This branch is very important because we know many pests and diseases is occurring the plants or animals. If we doesn't know the about which disease are occurred a plant, we cannot able to give the proper pesticides. So through the agriculture entomology, we can able to identify the which disease occurred per a particular plant. Next one is plant pathology. In the plant pathology, the plant pathologists are identify the plant diseases through their plant's leaves. They research the plant leaves and they identify the plant diseases and give the solutions. Next branch is pisciculture. We are farming the fish for the usual of the food purposes. At present, it's a rearing as a pisciculture around the world in the particular fish tanks or fish ponds. So, dear students, the agriculture is very important activity around the world, particularly in India. More than two-third population are dependent on agriculture activity. At present, due to COVID-19, many youngsters are converting to the agriculture activity. It's a very good and a very good indication also. So we need to give the importance about agriculture, and we upcoming video will learn more about it. I think this video will like you and useful. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share the people. Thank you for watching.